Hello students, I, Assistant Professor Sandhya Sharma, IMS Ghaziabad University Courses Campus. Today, I'll teach you functions of mass communication. Today, we will discuss about different functions of mass communication. Here are unlisted functions of mass communication. First, to inform, then to educate, to entertain, to persuade, to do cultural promotion, create or maintain social contact, integration, stimulation, control function, and surveillance of the environment. Then let's start with first to inform. To inform. Inform means to let another people what you know, you communicate to another person and let him inform about any happening, any news, anything. Okay, the most important function of mass communication is dissemination of information to the masses through new electronic and print media. Information diffused through these channels is about new events, products, changes in policies, ideas, philosophies, etc. Mass media are particularly effective to spread current information having news values. News values. What is news? News is anything new which we do not know yesterday. That is to be disseminated to the masses. Okay. Second function is to educate. Education is systematically organized information with predefined objectives to transfer knowledge for the progress of the society. For example, University Grants Commission. We have it is the responsibility of media person to educate the common people or the people about University Grants Commission, what is Gyan Darshan. Recently, one Gyan Darshan channel is open in Pune, and different educational programs what they are teaching, it is the responsibility of media, or we can say through this we can educate our target audiences, and it is systematically organized with predefined objectives. The objectives are clearly predefined. CBSE, UGC, AICTE, these are the few examples of to educate. It is the function of mass communication, because if we do not implement mass communication or any media here, then the things remain in the books, in the files, and no one get to know about what is happening in the educational department. To entertain, it is the most common function of mass communication. When we use for entertainment, the mass media publicize such programs as pleasurable to the consumers, or at least they provide the audience with sort of escape of diversion from the anxieties of daily life. It is the most common function of mass communication, because these days it is entertainment, it is through films, through television series, through digital series. People go to mass media to entertain themselves, to stress out, to kind of relaxation or anxieties, to remove the anxieties of their daily life. They go to such medium of mass communication to getting entertainment. Next, to persuade. Persuasion means influencing attitude or opinions. Persuading is another function of mass communication. Because of its persuasive potential, both electronic and print media are used for advertising products, services, businesses, charities, or for political campaigns. Through mass media or any mean of mass communication, one can easily persuade the target audiences, because it is a function of mass communication to influence the people. And advertising is the best example of persuasion of mass communication, because after watching an advertisement of particular product or services, people go to purchase the product only because of influence, not the results and comparison. Next, cultural promotion. Yes, cultural promotion through the mean of, it is the function of mass communication to promote our culture, to help foster social values and pass them from generation to generation. It is the function of mass communication. For example, festivals, different parties and celebrations, etc. Social contact. Social contact to help make enjoyable companionship. It is also a function of mass communication. We can see here are some examples like friendship. There are different clubs in the societies where we live, different organizations which help to maintain or create social contact with the help of mass communication or digital media. Integration. Integration is the next function. It creates harmonious relationships among various social groups. Harmonious relationship. You can see this integration in different political parties, in conferences and meetings, and it is only because of mass communication. It is the function actually that it integrate the social groups. Okay, next is stimulation. Stimulation means to create interest and develop positive thinking and behavior. After repetition of particular advertisement and television or print media, or we can say now in digital media, the repetition can create interest and develop positive thinking about a particular thing. And the best example is advertisements. Control function. To get someone to behave in an appropriate way. It is also function. Control function means to control something. To be control something in such a way to behave in an appropriate way, that, for example, management, censorship, people knows what they have to serve to their audiences and media audiences and their target audiences, right? Surveillance of the environment. It is the last function, we can say. There are n number of functions of mass communication, but today we will end with this function, surveillance of the environment. Yes, mass media observe the society. Mass media observe the society and its activities and report them to make people aware of their socio-cultural environment. This function is very, very important. It is only the mass communication which is considering that this watchdog function of mass media. We call the media as the fourth estate of our democratic political system because of surveillance of the environment. It is only the mass media who observe the society